So a couple more things. Here's a challenge. I want you to convert a dictionary into an array. Good luck. Okay, see if you can beat me. So first we need a dictionary. So create your dictionary. I'm gonna make it like this. 1 and 2. Doesn't have to be too much, just something to try things out. Alright, that's my dictionary. And I've got invalid syntax. What do? Are they square brackets, are they? I don't think so. Can you see what I've done wrong? I've got 1 as my key. Oh, can you see it? Look, it's purple. It sticks out. Be careful of what you call your dictionary. Let's call it my dictionary. And I should make it equal to as well. Yeah. Oh, what do I do there? I want to copy this. It won't let me. It's frozen. I must have killed it. Okay, new. Where are we? One thing is you can't open 2 idols at the same time, which is kind of frustrating. Oh, don't look at that. It's my cheat sheet. Well, it's not my cheat sheet. I try to work this stuff out so I'm not, messing around too long with you. I want you to show you this quickly as possible. So, all right, my dictionary equals, there we go. Save it. Bob's your uncle. There we go. All good. And then, all right, how do we convert that into an array? All right. So this is how you do it. Try and beat me. List. And it depends what you want to get. So remember how we were doing values and keys? So you can do that with this. So the only thing is you lose your keys. You don't have your keys anymore, but you could create like an array with your keys, an array with your dictionary. Hopefully they match up. Just be careful because they're unordered. So I'm going to get the values because, that's usually the most important thing you're storing. Though with dictionary, you want both really because the key is important as well. There's a reason why you've got the key. All right, so we've got that. And there's our array. And let's try that with the keys and see if it's in the same order. You might be lucky, but don't trust me with higher amounts of data. You could be in trouble. All right, keys. 1, 2, they are in order, but I don't know. You might want to test that out with a larger dictionary. All right, another one. Create. Okay, now what we're going to do now is I want you to create a new dictionary. And we sort of did this just before. Create a new dictionary and store these array values in there with a new key. Okay. Whoa. All right, let's give it a go. So first create your new dictionary. And there we go, done. And then what we're going to do, now this is pretty cool. This is another cool for loop. I like using these a lot. You go for index, and what it does is it goes through each object in the dictionary. Actually, we have to store this array as well. Okay, hang on, let's get rid of that. So this is going to be my array. I guess you could get the values from this and store them in there. Hang on, let's do that too. So 4. Now, what you do is index. Oh, sorry. No, that's not going to work. Okay, now, the reason why you cannot, with this for loop, I'm using a thing called Enumerate. And with Enumerate, you cannot use it for dictionaries. And I don't think you can use it for set as well, because I think you have to convert them into a list, and then you can use it. So we have to create an array. All right, so let's create our array. And it'll be, let's do this. Okay, there's my array. And then let's do our indexing. For index and the value in, and we go enumerate. It goes purple if you're doing the right thing. My array. There we go. And then your colon. And what? Oh, I needed a comma between index and val. Let's put that there. Otherwise this won't work. Okay, now I've got a new line. All right, and then we're going to put that into the new dictionary. So the new dictionary, and we're going to use the index as the key, which kind of a good idea sometimes, and make it equal to the value. Okay, whoops, paste. Why isn't it pasting? Didn't freeze it again, did I? Man. All right, be careful when you, whatever that key was, B, I think, or I've done something and it totally freezes it. Let's go interrupt execution. No. This is a new thing. Restart shell. Let's do that. Awesome. It's going to work? No. Oh, all right, I'll try and do that quickly again. All right, we're going to enumerate through an array. All right. I've got to create my array again. Let's just do really quickly. Do that. Don't forget your commas, Jared. There we go. New array, new dictionary to store it all. There we go. And then for index, comma, val, and enumerate. There you go. The array. I should have been careful to call it array actually. Colon. Enumerate. I suppose right, didn't I? Oh, for item in. Okay. Copy. Don't press B in. Okay, there we go. That's good. And then we're going to put that into the dictionary. We put the index as the, oh, spell it right. That's why I like copying and pasting, eh? A lot of code editors, like Idle's pretty basic, but a lot of other ones, I've seen a good Eclipse one, which is quite cool. And it will auto finish your items. It's really good. I don't know why I'm not using that. I might use that in another video. Alright, we've got index and we'll assign the value to it. That should be it. Enter twice. Check my dictionary. And there you go. So it's got 0 and 1. And you could probably like alter that as well so that it's got like maybe the same value. You could just do +1. Try that. And did that work? Didn't really, did it? It's got 3 things in there. Oh, that's why. Okay, so it's got 3 things in there because I've added the 1 for 1 and the 2 for 2, but it's kept the 0 for 1 in that dictionary when I did that again. So you could probably delete that. Let's try. How would you delete that? You try. Come on, beat me. Pause it if you have to. Okay, and 0 equals, can I do nil? No? Null? I think it's null, isn't it? Oh, gotta look that up. Null, Python. How to test a variable is null. I think it's maybe capital N. Let's try that. And you, no. Look at Stack Overflow. Back to the Future. Okay. Null, none. All right, none. Let's try none. Okay. So I want to set 0 to none. Really? A capital N-O-N-E, okay. There we go. And have a look at the dictionary. Should be nothing in there. All right, great. Well, it's nil now. Delete. Delete a dictionary value. Okay, another challenge for you. Try and beat me. I don't know either. That's the fun of it. I like doing this stuff. Delete dictionary Python. Dictionary value I want. Okay, dictionary pop removes the element with the key. The key exists. If the key doesn't exist, then it returns the given default. Delete an element from a dictionary. Go down, down, down. Delete. Delete D key. All right, let's do that. Delete D, and the key is 0. Oh, dictionary. I got to put the dictionary. My dictionary 0. And bingo. There you go. If that doesn't exist, then you're deleting nothing. So we could try that too. You'll probably get an error. Let's go try 7. There's no 7 key. Yep, there's an error. And so you might want to even check if that's equal to none first. So if that is equal to none, let's use this none since we're here. Print error. There we go. And we've got, it's a key error. So you can't compare it to none. Now I did here, we actually were in a pop. Pop removes an element, and if it doesn't exist, delete at. Try accept. That's a good one. That's really good. So that's a good one. That's how you do it. I'm just going to copy and paste that. Try delete this. All right, so it's going to try and do it, but if there's an error, the key's not found. All right, let's do that. Yep. So, well, key 7. That should be key 7 not found. Okay. All right, that's a good way. And then, you know, if it does exist, then it'll do it. And then your program won't crash. So try. This is another like advanced sort of concept that we're bringing it in now, but it's good. Good, we're learning it now. And change that to 7. There you go. All right, key 7 not found. Okay, and then your program will still run. It won't crash like this and you'll get this trace back, and then your program's just going to fail completely. Then you have to go through, find the error, find a way to get around it. But if you've got things like this in try except, it will help you. Like in the except, maybe you can do something there, create the value if you wanted to. You could do that. Let's see if that'll work. So I'm going to set it to 0. Okay. Now it said not found. That's okay but watch this. See, I just created it. So this could be like if it doesn't exist, so you try and do this. If it doesn't, then do this. So that's how that works. The try except testing method. Cool, that's pretty intense. Hope you had fun. See you later.